CATIA V5 generative shape design. Let's see how we can apply fillets onto all the edges over here. And I have an imported surface over here. I have a subdivision within imaginary shape, and this will be, as we can see, within part design. So I'm currently within generative shape design. We're going to take a look at automatic filleting. So for the selection, for the support, if I will select this surface, let's say that I want to add a radius of 3. If I can also display the show curvature radius less than 1.5, if I'm going to hit preview, we're going to have the following output. So just by clicking OK, we're going to have all of those created over here, as you can see. We still have the original mesh, in this case original surface. If I will hide that, underneath it we're going to have this outputted filleted surface. If I'm going to take a look, this will be a surface, but it will be added over here within the auto fillet function. Now, there are other options regarding this, but I'm going to go ahead within a future video and discuss all of those slivers and cracks. Now, let's take a look at how we can use auto filleting also on other parts. So over here, this is subdivision. If I'm going to double click this, it will take me to imaginary shape, and I can start shaping this around. And we can use the same auto fillet from generative shape design applied on an imaginary shape subdivision surface. So the same workflow, I will select this. I will select the support, in this case the subdivision, and again with a radius, let's say 2 in this case. If I'm going to hit preview, it will be applied onto everything. So I can just click OK. We see the updated topology, and if I will hide the subdivision, which is editable, underneath it we're going to have that surface with all the fillets. Keep in mind that since this subdivision, if I will go ahead and change it, when I will leave that by pressing escape, the auto filleting will also be applied, as we can see over here. And that is for surfaces as well. If I will go ahead and edit that surface, the auto fillet will be changed. Now over here I have a part design. So this was made within part design. As you can see, we have a pad and a pocket. If I will try to use the automatic filleting, you're going to see that the part design will not be a suitable selection over here. But we can do the following. We can do an extraction. So within generative shape, we can use multiple extract. I can select the element over here. I can do a drag and drop, and this will take, in this case, the pocket. If I'm going to click OK, it will convert everything over here within a surface. We see it has the same color within yellow, so that's a surface in CATIA. It will be entitled multiple extract. And if I will go with auto filleting, multiple extract 2 over here, this will be a suitable viable solution. So let's say that we want to add fillet 3 mm on all the edges. This will be the output. And again, if I will hide that solid body underneath, which will be that one, the output will be the following surface. If I will go ahead and maybe change this, so for example, maybe I want this cut to be added over here, and I also want to add a circle, we're going to see in this case that the multi-extract will also be propagated, and based on that multi-extract, we're going to have the auto filleting over here. And if I will hide this pocket, underneath it, we're going to have the following surface. Okay, so this was regarding auto filleting, so we can apply it on surface, on imaginary shape, or even on part design over here. I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.